Hello guys, to welcome back another video in Sanju Mehra vlog. Today we are here in my neighbor garden, and no, the garden is not very good because they are not taking care of the garden. The garden is not like me, but still is green. I'm here. I watch a beautiful bird's nest here. You can see the birds. They think the danger's here. After see me, look, she's sitting here. The both male or over there is female. Both are taking care of the kids. I think we need to explore their nest. So I'm here finally. Let's see what will happen here. Is there some egg or some baby? Very careful nest. Oh my god, here is some two babies. Come baby. Oh my goodness. The birds are voicing the danger over there. Look. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful to see nature like this. They are not like to come outside in the nest. Finally, I have one. Oh. The birds is running. The small kids is running there, and male or female are attacking me. Oh, it's running. It's running. The small kids is flying. The first flying. Her first flying. Oh my god. She's going over there. I need to taking care of her because there is outside is so much danger. Oh, beautiful. Oh, wow. I need to take her in the nest. She is very fear, but she is very calm in my hand. Puppy baby. Over there, look, the moms and the father. They are very caring. I need to take her inside. There is her nest. Look, there is another baby. There is two baby. One is here. Oh, I need to go outside. Look, the mom here. The both are taking care of the kids, male, females, and the harming. I see the harming. Oh wow, there are so many birds here, and many nests. It's very beautiful to see here because this is like all around is the wall of the fence, and many trees here, and I need to see in my garden as well if there is some nest. It's very beautiful to explore the nature. Oh my goodness, they are like man and animals and birds. They are all of nature, but I think the birds and animals is better than humans because they are caring of the nature. And what man are doing, lots of pollutions, factories all around is. Oh wow. Last time I saw you the birds here, some kids, babies, they are sleeping, and mom and dad are going to be take some food for them. And here I'm showing her mom here. So guys, if you love the nature videos and some adventure videos, so please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Till goodbye, see you in the next vlog. Last time I'm showing you again because I don't want to go here. I feel so happy to see, because slowly in global warming, birds are lost somewhere. You see the sparrows, birds are not, we never see the sparrow birds many years, and we need to save our natures and our natures, trees, birds, everything. Thank you very much.